there's the final product, and dang, it smells good. Let's chow down.
Okay.
But another small feature about this trailer, very small, but it works out just fine. Pretend you're in this door, in and out of this door all the time, and you just want to leave it open, but it keeps swinging open, or it's just kind of in the way, and or the wind's blowing around, and you don't want the wind to slam it in your face. Same with your entry door. It's got this nice little latch on the front of the trailer that connects to this latch on the door. Now let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's like a two-handed vent. Let's see. Boom, latched in. It works great. The wind can come and sit there and try to blow it shut in your face. Like if you're working, taking stuff out of here, for the campsite, that will keep it open for you. Like I said, same for the entry door. And that's on all the doors. This front door and this back door. The back door, this door and this entry door. The back door over there for the kitchen does not have this because it's got struts that hold it up, so you don't need it. But let me show you another feature to this that only big brain people can figure out. You're like, I got my trash bag. What do I do with it? Don't want to lay it on the ground. What do I do with it? I got you covered, bro. Look at this. Again, one-handed. It's hard. Hang your trash up. Buzzinga. So there's the final product, and dang, it smells good. Let's chow down. Nice hot coffee. Whew. All right, camp is all packed up now, ready to go. It's time to head to the craft show. Let's go, get to work. Got all these trailers here for all the vendors. There's a ton of vendors out here, guys. Gorgeous morning.
Just a small one?
Really?
Hold on. Let me get a grip on it. See? Ain't that good?
Okay.
Golly, that's a treat. They having some issues. All right, so the show is over and now I'm packing up. The tent's already down. I brought my stands out to the roadway so I can easily load up, and I'm going to pull my truck up right here and we're just going to load everything up. The tent thing, it's almost done, and this is going to take like 5 to 10 minutes just to throw in the truck. No big deal at all. All right, well, I am all packed up now, with the exception of my coffee mug. This is what it looks like now. I have all my inventory and my other gear up there. Got my stands, canopy, and trailer. And there's the extra long sticks as before. All right, so now it's time for the long road home. All right, so the trailer is hooked up. I was just getting some drone footage of it, and we are heading up into their honeybee harvesting area, but I'm just gonna turn around and head out. All right, so everything is packed up and ready to go in the truck. The camper's all packed up. Everything's packed up in there, nice and neat. And I'm heading home. I got an hour 40 before I make it back to the house. I'm already tired, so it's gonna be a great ride. Probably gonna have to stop and get me a soda or something. But anyway, guys, it was a good trip, good 2-day craft show, and I hope to see you next time. Get out there, have fun, and keep sticking to it. Peace out. Alright guys, well I made it home safe and sound, and if you thought I was going to go to a honey farm and not get no honey, you're sadly mistaken. Anyway guys, I'm going to head home, go see my wife, and see y'all later.